Hey guys, I'm Sam and welcome to my channel, M6. I guess I wanted to make a introductory video around what this channel is going to be about, but also for this particular episode, cover off, all the modifications that I've done on this bad boy. So just a very quick background. I've had the car from April 2016 till date, so just over 4 years. And in that time, it's gone through significant changes. I've had multiple sets of wheels, air ride. It's gone through, some pretty significant transformation. So I wanted to really share my journey, my passion with anybody else who's as fanatic or mad about an M6 or E63 6 Series as I am, and just give somebody flavor into what it's like owning this car. So future episodes, you should be expecting maintenance, modifications, how much certain things have cost that I've done on this car, DIYs, home projects, and things of that nature. So I don't want to tax up everybody's time so much, so without further ado, I'm going to take all of you around a bit of a walkthrough, a rundown on what I've done to this car, so stay tuned. Alright, so first off, the car is a 2005 E63 M6 V10. It's a factory colour, absolutely stunning under certain lights. It really shines that rich deep burgundy colour, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to start off from the front, which I think some of you already know. So the first major modification that I'm going to cover off is the Supercharger. It's an ESS VT2 650 brake Supercharger. It's got a top mounted intercooler that's connected to the plenum. It's got a dual cone, so that's a primary cone there. Charged pipe all in the middle and the secondary air filter right there. With these kits, in stock form, it comes with a diverter valve or a bypass valve, but I wanted to be a bit different, so I chose to go with the Tial atmospheric blow-off valve, and let me tell you, this thing sounds the nuts. I might be biased, but it really sounds phenomenal. So that's, I guess, the first major mod. The next mod from the front are these turn signals or front indicators, which are the LCI ones. So they're LED, really finishes off the front. You've got the carbon fiber front splitter. I know it's quite popular with E63s. The next mod on the front, as I'm here anyways, is the lighting's not great, sorry. It's the uprated oil cooler. I got this through a company in the UK called Redtech. Got the gloss black kidney grills. You'll see my C-Tech charger, so sorry about all the wiring and the mess. So that's the front. As we move to the side, you'll see here, I've got stock wheels in gloss black, they're powder coated. I've got Stoptech big brake kit all round, so the front's a 6-pot, the rear's a 4-pot. Behind these wheels and brakes are KW V3 coilovers. I've recently, one of my latest modifications. So I, with a very good friend of mine, installed probably about 3 months ago. Absolutely loving the ride comfort and quality. Then as we move along the side of the car, you'll notice I've got carbon fiber winglet side skirts. Funny story on this, I'll cover off on another episode. Really like these side skirts. Probably one of the best looking side skirts for this car. There's not a lot of modifications on this car that's available off the shelf, so you've really got to dig deep and find what you're looking for. So that's the rear 4-pot Stoptech. Sorry about the dirt, all the dirty car, guys. Hasn't been washed for a while. As we move along to the rear of the car, I've got the AC Schnitzer rear spoiler. I really like this. It did take me a while to get accustomed to it, but as you can see here, it really flows with the lines of the car, and it just really completes an aggressive rear end. Mated with that, I've got rear LED lights. Yeah, again, at the rear, really completes the look. If we go a little bit further down, I've got the carbon fiber rear diffuser shadowing over the IPE or Innertech performance exhaust. This was one of my latest modifications. I only had this installed about 2 weeks ago. It's a Valvetronic exhaust setup that is all the way from the headers back. So it's a straight through X pipe valved, and it sounds amazing. When you open the valves through the key fob, this thing roars. The downshift on this is incredible. I have uploaded a couple of other videos, so you'll see what I mean just in terms of sound. Moving into the boot itself, again, sorry about the mess, guys, but it's one of those things, is the latest modification to my build. It's water methanol injection. So this is the Devil Zone kit with the sump baffle race tank. It's all mounted up nice and tidy out of the way. You can still get into the battery compartment and what have you. Just waiting on a few more things to arrive before I can get this fully plumbed in. Moving very briefly into the boot still, I've got this retrimmed actually. It's all suede real alcantara. Really nice feel to it, and it still maintains the grab handles as well. You can see right there, which is always handy. For the most part, those are the modifications that I've got. Obviously, from factory, these cars do come with carbon fiber roof. I do have a lot of modifications inside the car, so I will make a separate video on that too, because I think it really does warrant its own video. But just as a brief kind of summary, the car's got a complete retrofitted leather dash and door cards. It's got factory carbon fiber trims. I've had CIC and combox fitted to the car, so the updated latest sat nav, and this trim here, carbon fiber skinned. Nice little touch here, all thanks to my good friend Mike, who runs the Instagram page Custom Car Plaque, so please go and check that out. I've had Alcantara roof liner retrofitted, Alcantara pillars fitted. You know, there's just lots of things that I've done to this car that I think warrants its own episode. So watch out for that in the next few episodes. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.